Good morning dear students. In this video we are going to see how to calculate the 4 yearly moving averages and find the trend. So we have a question on the screen which states that find 4 yearly moving averages for the following data, and we have been provided with a table of information which has the years in one column and the values x in another column. To begin with the solution, we are going to first add a column called as 4 yearly moving totals. Now, to calculate the 4 yearly moving totals, we need to take 4 consecutive years. So in this case, let us start with 93. So we'll have 93, 94, 95 and 96, and the corresponding x values. We are going to take the total and write exactly in the middle. So since this is 4, we do not have a middle year. So what we have to do is we have to write down the value in the middle of 94 and 95. So on the calci, we are going to enter 330 plus 315 plus 352 plus 390. This is equal to 1387, followed by the sum of next 4 years. And we will write it in the middle of the year 95 and 96. So we are going to have 315 plus 352 plus 390 plus 400, and the total for this is 1457. And likewise, continuing further, we are going to have 1547. The last 4 yearly moving total which we have got is in between the year 2000 and 2001. We are not going to have more successive 4 yearly moving totals. Now moving on, next we are going to find out 4 yearly central totals. To find out the 4 yearly central totals, what we are going to do is take 2 consecutive 4 yearly moving totals and add them and write the value exactly in the middle. We have 1387 plus 1457. That should be the first of 4 yearly central totals. To find the 4 yearly central totals, we are going to take 2 consecutive 4 yearly moving totals and add them and write the sum in the middle. So for the first one, it will be 1387 plus 1457, which comes as 2844. Now if you will notice that this 4 yearly central total is going to lie exactly against the year 1995. Similarly, the next 4 yearly central total is going to be in the year 1996, and that can be evaluated as 1457 plus 1547, which is 3004. The next one is going to be 1547 plus 1595, which is 3142. Continuing further, we have the following 4 yearly central totals. Now once we are done with this, we move on to the last step of the problem, and the last step is where we are going to get the 4 yearly moving averages. And as we know that the formula for average is nothing but the sum divided by the total number of observations. So in this case, we have the number 2844, and that is mapped against the year, 1995. Now 2844 is the sum of 1387, which has been obtained by adding these 4 numbers, and similarly 1457 has been attained by adding these 4 numbers. So if you look at 2844, this is actually a sum of 8 numbers. So the 4 yearly moving average for the year 1995 is going to be 2844 divided by 8. Now putting this on the calci, we get similarly the next moving average is going to be 3004 divided by 8, which is 375.5. The next is 3142 divided by 8, which will be 392.75. The next is 403.375. Now with this we complete our solution. Now a quick observation which we are going to make. So again, the 4 yearly moving averages are not there for the year 1993, for the year 1994, and the last 2 years, that is 2001 and 2002. You should be noticing the difference between 3 yearly, 5 yearly and 4 yearly moving averages. The technique for calculation of 3 yearly and 5 yearly moving averages is almost identical, whereas in the 4 yearly moving average, we have an extra column of 4 yearly central totals for obvious reasons. And also we should realize that the 4 yearly moving averages are not there for the first 2 years and the last 2 years. Thank you so much for watching till here. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.